Okay, here today in this video I am going to teach you how to tie a Prince Albert knot. I had already made a video on how to tie a Windsor knot. If you haven't checked it yet, go check it out. Link is in the description. As you can see, I have the narrow end of my tie on my right side and wide end on my left side. Place the wide end over the narrow end. From the behind of the tie, bring it on the left side and cross it over the tie to bring it on your right side. Now again from the behind of the tie, bring it on the left side and cross it over the tie to bring it on your right side. Tuck it through the loop to bring it on the center. Now pass it through this pocket as shown and bring it to the front. Use one hand to pull the narrow end down and the other hand to move the knot up until it reaches the center of the collar. Place down your collar. Adjust your knot properly to make it more presentable and ensure that it has tightened properly.